Hello students and welcome to the last video of the week. This is the video for April 16th and 17th. This should be for days 14 and 15 of our AMI lessons. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a simple circuit. I'm not going to go into the more complicated things like parallel circuits. Right now you just need to know some basics. And circuit diagrams are pretty nice because they show you how charge flows through the system and what is going to eventually come on or be turned off. And you can do things like switches, which shut current off. So a number of different things. But today we're just going to focus on the basics. So really, for our simple circuits, you need three things. You need some kind of voltage source, some kind of power source. Now what we're going to be doing are DC. We're going to do DC circuits. DC circuits are essentially a battery. And I need to start off with some kind of battery. I'm going to start off with a 9-volt battery, something that you might find in your smoke detector. So I'm going to draw that over here. I'm going to draw a long plate, a short plate, a long plate, and a short plate again. It doesn't really matter how many you draw, but 4 is probably typical. And then on top, that's going to be the positive, and then this is going to be the negative down there. And I'm going to move those just so I can draw lines from them. So what I need to do is I need to draw my circuit. I need to draw the wires that carry the charge. Now we're going to be doing conventional flow. So with conventional flow, that shows stuff going from the positive terminal to the negative terminal. So that's conventional. We're going to go up. We're going to go this way and then go in that way. So I'm going to draw a line which starts to represent my circuit. Now, at this point, it doesn't matter where I put my resistor and my, like where I indicate my current. So that's unimportant. But at some point, I'm going to have a resistor. And I'm going ahead and put that resistor right here. And we typically represent that with a squiggly line. Sometimes you can draw a light bulb on there. And typically, we draw that as some kind of light bulb like that. That's awful, but it's going to look something like that's going to be a squiggly type thing. But, well, I can't erase it on that. I got to do it right here. All right, let's get that off of there. But I'm going to now close off my simple circuit because charge won't flow unless it is a closed circuit. And then I'm going to go all the way up. And there we go. Now, I need to probably indicate the direction of charge. So I'm going to kind of draw an arrow this way because this is conventional. Remember, electrons are the actual charge carriers, but that doesn't matter. I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to give everything some values. So first of all, I said that this was a 9-volt battery or 9-volt potential difference. So there you go. Label that as 9-volt. And my resistor, well, it doesn't really matter what it is. I'm going to say it is a 25 ohm resistor. Now, what I need to calculate is the amount of current that's currently going through. That resistor is going to slow things down. So if V is equal to I over R, and I know my voltage, and I know my resistance, I can figure out my current by taking my voltage divided by my resistance, and that is going to be 9 divided by 25. That gives me, oh, well, look, it is 36 or 0.36. So my current is 0.36 amperes. And there you go. That is a very basic circuit drawn for you. Your assignment is you're going to draw a circuit on Google Drawings with the specifications that I give you. It's probably going to look something like that. Now, we may not be able to go into other types of circuits like parallel circuits, multiple resistances, and the resistance laws, but this is just giving you a basic diagram of how the battery works, how the charge, the current moves, and then the effect that resistance has. So that's going to be it for today. You will have an assignment. This may be the last video. I don't know yet. We'll see. But until then, I hope you guys do well. If you ever have a question, just ask me. I'll talk to you later.